1. Strawberries. They're high in vitamin C, which may help rev up your sex drive, boost blood flow, and ease stress and anxiety. It also helps your body release more oxytocin, known as the love hormone. 2. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in magnesium, a mineral that can help boost testosterone levels. It also has iron, which can help enhance desire and sexual satisfaction, particularly in women. 3. Oysters. These shellfish are loaded with zinc, which helps your body make testosterone, a hormone that plays a big role in your mood and sex drive. 4. Pomegranates. Experts say that drinking pomegranate juice can boost your mood, improve your blood flow, and raise your testosterone levels. All things that can turn up the heat in the bedroom. 5. Chocolate. This sweet treat is linked with the release of serotonin, a hormone that encourages feelings of happiness and well-being. 6. Watermelon. This juicy fruit serves up plenty of an amino acid called citrulline. Your body turns it into arginine, another amino acid that helps relax your blood vessels. 7. Avocado. This fruit is packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber that can deliver lasting energy in the bedroom. 8. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel have plenty of omega-3s. These healthy fats ease inflammation in your body. That can help your sexual health.